Conquering pronunciation challenges. Vowel sounds and consonant clusters for Spanish speakers. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to tackle a specific topic that might be of interest to our Spanish-speaking audience. We're diving deep into pronunciation challenges related to vowel sounds and consonant clusters. In English, one key aspect that makes pronunciation challenging, particularly for Spanish speakers, is the vowel sounds. In Spanish, you have 5 clear vowel sounds, but in English, there are around 12 to 20, depending on the accent. It's crucial to listen carefully and practice these sounds as they can completely change the meaning of a word. Take for example, the words sheep and ship. They may sound similar, but changing the vowel sound changes the meaning entirely. Tip: the best way to practice is by listening and repeating. Listen to a native English speaker, repeat the words, and record yourself to identify the differences. Another challenge for Spanish speakers is consonant clusters. In Spanish, words rarely begin with more than one consonant, but in English, it's quite common. Words like strength, breakfast, and glimpse can be tricky to pronounce. Here's the thing, it's okay to take your time when pronouncing these words. Slow down your speech, make sure every sound is pronounced, and with time, you'll get faster and more fluent. Tip: practicing tongue twisters can be a great way to improve your pronunciation of consonant clusters. Try this one for size. She sells seashells by the seashore. Improving pronunciation is a process, but don't be discouraged. Remember, practice makes perfect. Use tools like language learning apps, repeat phrases, use tongue twisters, and don't shy away from recording your own voice. Also, remember that communication is the goal. You don't need a perfect accent to be understood, but focusing on clear pronunciation can help prevent misunderstandings. That's all for today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, making mistakes is a part of the learning process. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to helping you further on your English language journey. Until next time, happy learning!